Hi everyone, so in this video, I am going to teach you how to do allocate customer payments or credit notes here in our back office interface. So the first step that you have to do is to log in into your back office side, and then we are going to select the sales module here. And then once you select your sales module, you have here our allocate customer payments or credit notes. Just tap on that one, and then you will see here all customer payment or credit note in the system. So if you want to select your customer, once again, you may able to tap all customers for you to see all the necessary customer list. Or if you want individual customers, you can type the name of our customer here, like mine, Maria Emilia. But before you type that one, what you're going to do, you have to tap the spacebar key into your keyboard in order for you to input the name of the customers that you want. So these are her settled items, and of course, these are her payment, credit note, and payment. So if you want to create a payment, you will see this one, total and left to allocate, and you see this money icon where it represents allocate or pay. Just tap on that one. So these are the pending invoices that I have, and these are the things that needs to be allocated or get paid. So right now, the amount of money that we have is 15,000 pesos. We only have, or we only received 15,000 from her. So we are going to allocate that one on a specific sales invoice. So I'm going to allocate 15,000 here in sales invoice number 5. So I'm going to input 15,000 pesos. Okay. Next, once you are processed, you have your left to allocate. There are no money. So we already used that 15,000 to this specific invoice. If you want to see the preview of that invoice, just tap this highlighted numbers, and then you will see the preview of that invoice. So going back, if I'm going to process the allocation, I'm going to tap this one, and automatically that specific invoice or that specific payment has already been done. It's already been settled. You can actually see here it's already 0. Okay, so that's how we do our customer allocation here in the back office side. So this is connected, to be exact, on customer payments. After you do your customer payments, the next thing that you have to do is to allocate that payment on a specific invoice, and that is the purpose for allocate customer payments or credit notes. Okay.